Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture of Python, we'll learn about strings, how to enter a string, how to display a string, how to display the first character of the string, how to display the last character of the string, how to find out the length of the string, how to display a string character-wise, one character in a row, right? How to count the number of vowels in a string, how to change the case of a string, that is, how to convert it into uppercase, lowercase, and to find out whether the entered sentence is in title case or in the capitalized form. Now, a sentence is said to be in title case when the first character of every word of the sentence is in uppercase, and the sentence is said to be in capitalized form when the first character of the sentence is in uppercase and the rest all the characters are in lowercase. So we'll be understanding everything in a step-by-step manner. In this lecture, we'll be learning everything practically. That is how these methods are applied in Python. Like, for example, I'm toggling the case, I'm converting the lowercase into uppercase, I'm converting all the strings into lowercase, I'm converting the string into title form. Not only this, I'll be learning to count the number of vowels, how to display a string character-wise. So watch the video up till the end. Let us start. In this lecture, we'll be understanding about strings. We know that Python provides sequences which comprises of list, strings and tuples. The strings lecture has become very big because Python provides huge methods, huge library of strings, and through which many real-life application programs can be made. So I have divided this lecture into three parts. One is 11a, 11b and 11c. In this 11a lecture, we'll be understanding about these methods. Len, which find out the length of the string, that is, counts the number of elements in the string. Count, it will count for the specific character or a substring in a string. Upper method will convert all the characters into uppercase. Lower will convert all the characters into lowercase. Swap case method will convert uppercase character into lowercase and lowercase character into uppercase. This title will return a boolean value true or false. Title means a sentence where the first character of each word is in uppercase. Title method will convert a sentence into title form. That is, the first character of each word will be converted into uppercase. Capitalize will do what? The first character of the sentence will be converted into uppercase and rest all the characters will be converted into lowercase. We will be learning to make these programs. To find out the string's length, to display a string character-wise. That is, for example, if the string is bintu, it will display character-wise, one character at a row, B-I-N-T-U. Counting the number of vowels in a sentence. Toggling case, that is uppercase into lowercase and vice versa. Converting a string into uppercase and lowercase. Converting into title form and converting to capitalized form. We'll be doing everything practically. So this is the first program. See, this program is asking you to enter a name, and whatever the name you'll enter will be assigned to this str variable, right? Suppose you enter the name Bintu. Bintu will be assigned to str variable, where each character will be assigned to its respective index location. See, this is 11th lecture. I assume that you've seen my earlier 10 lectures. Out of those 10 lectures, you'll find one lecture on one-dimensional array. String is nothing but a one-dimensional array only. The difference is that strings contains characters instead of numericals that we did in the one-dimensional array. Okay. So the first character is assigned to str0 index location. The next character is assigned to the str1 index location, and so on. Okay. Find out the len. See, len function find out the length of the string in str variable. So it will count the number of characters 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And 5 will be assigned to the variable L. Okay. The name entered is, this str is outside the apostrophe. So the value in the str variable will be displayed. The name entered is Bintu. And its length is, again this L is outside the apostrophe. So the value in the L variable will be displayed. That is 5. The name entered is Bintu and its length is 5. Let us run this program. I'll just copy it. Go to the file ID, paste it and run it. See, enter your name. I'll enter my name, Bintu. See, the name entered is Bintu and its length is 5. Let's understand next program. What is this program doing? It is printing, it is displaying a string character-wise, one character in a row. Okay, let's see how. Enter a string. Suppose I enter again Bintu, that will be assigned to str variable like this. Every character in its respective index location. Okay. Find out length. Length will be 5, which is assigned to variable n. The first character of Bintu is str0. If it displays B, that means obviously the first character is assigned to the index location 0. Okay. So the output will be the first character of bin2 is B. Okay. The entered string will appear character wise as, I'll be explaining two methods of displaying a string character wise. This is the first method where I am using the index location to access the character in the string. In the range method, you are using 0 and n is 5. So the value which will be assigned to variable I will be from 0 till 4. Because this n, that is this 5 is exclusive. The loop will terminate when the value of I will become 5. So value of I in the first round is 0. Print str0, that is B will be displayed. Then next value will be assigned to variable I, that is 1. Print str1, that is I will be displayed. The value of I will increment to 2. str2, that is n will be displayed. The value of I will become 3, it will display t. The value of I will become 4, it will display the last character, that is u. After that the value of I will become 5, which is not allowed because this 5 is exclusive. The loop will terminate on value 5. Control will come over here. This is the second method of displaying the string character wise. Okay. You get the message, the entered string will appear character wise as, here you are making a use of the in keyword. What will happen is that one character at a time from the string in str variable will be assigned to this variable. Like it has the string bin2. The first character will be assigned to the variable a-char. The loop will execute displaying the B. Okay. After that the next character in the string which is assigned to str variable will be assigned to a-char. That is I will be assigned to a-char. A-char is a variable that I have taken. You can use any variable here. So the next character in the string which is assigned to str variable will be assigned to a-char. The loop will execute and that character will be displayed. After that the next character in the string which is assigned to str variable will be assigned to a-char. And the loop will continue until all the characters which are in the string assigned to str variable are assigned to a-char variable and displayed. Okay, let's run this. Control A, press del key, delete it, paste it and run it. See, enter a string, I am entering bin2. See, the first character of bin2 is B. Can you see this by str0? Okay, if I write str1 it will display the second character. This is displaying the string character wise using this index locations, right? And here you are using this in keyword through which one character at a time is assigned to this variable and displayed on the screen. This program is counting the number of vowels in a sentence. So it is asking the user to enter a sentence. To make the program simple, I'll just enter a sentence, let us go out, which will be assigned to the variable s, and obviously it will be assigned at its respective index location. L will be assigned to S0, E will be assigned to S1 and so on. Okay. Find out the length of the sentence in variable S. Compatible count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 will be assigned to variable N. C is the variable which I'll be using to count the vowels in the sentence. So I am initializing C to 0. For loop will go from 0 till 13. But because 13 is exclusive, the value of I will range from 0 till 12. In the first iteration, the value of I will be 0. This is using logical OR operator. In the earlier lectures, we've used the three logical operators AND or NOT. Okay. So what it is doing that it is asking, it is comparing, it is checking whether S0 has A or S0 has uppercase A or S0 has E or S0 has uppercase E. That is, you are counting whether A, E, I, O, U in lowercase or in uppercase format is available in S0 index location. In S0 it is L. So if statement will not execute, the value of C will remain 0. Again the for loop will execute with the next iteration and the value of I will become 1. It is checking whether S1 index location has any of these characters. S1 has E. So if statement will run and the value of C will be incremented by 1. The value of C was 0, it will become 1. Again the value of I will increment to 2. Is S2 index location has any of these vowels? No. So the value of C will remain 1. The value of I will increment to 3. S3 has white space. So does it matches with any of the vowels? No. The value of C will remain 1. The value of I will become 4. Does S4 has any of these characters? Uppercase or lowercase vowels? Yes, it has U. Okay. So the value of C will increment to 2. The value of I then will increment to 5 and so on. So it is checking all the values ranging from 0 till 12 to to check if any of these index locations has any of these vowels in uppercase or in lowercase. If it is, the value of C will be incremented. So when the for loop will get over, the variable C will be having the final count of the number of vowels in the sentence. So you are displaying the count of vowels by using this print statement. The number of vowels in the sentence are and then C. So the value in the variable C will be displayed. Here you are using the count method. What does the count method do? It counts the existence of any character or a substring in a sentence, in a bigger string. Okay. So what you're doing, you're counting for the existence of character A in S variable, and the counting will be done from the index location 0 till n. N is the entire length of the string. Okay. These are optional. If you don't use these starting and ending index locations, the entire length of the string is taken. Okay. So you're counting for A, you're counting for capital A, you're counting for E or capital E. That is all the vowels you're counting in the variable S. That is in the entire sentence. And the total of the count will be assigned to this variable T, which then you are displaying on the screen. The number of vowels in the sentence are T. So the output of both the print statement will be exactly same. As I told you that this starting and ending index location to search from is optional. Whether you specify or not, it is taken at the starting index location as 0 and ending index location as the entire length. So I am rewriting the statement without using the starting and ending index location. See, this count method is exactly same like this. Okay. So you are counting for the lowercase vowels or uppercase vowels in the string variable S, and the total of the count is assigned to the variable V, and you are displaying the count of the vowels through this print statement. Let us run this program. I'll paste it in the spider ID and I am running it. It is asking me to enter a sentence. I can enter anything, but to make it easy to understand, I am writing the same sentence. Let us go out. The number of vowels is 5 in all the 3. So that means this count method and this count method all are same. All are giving exactly same output. Let's understand one more program. This program is explaining what is the usage of this swap case, what is the usage of this upper method, what is the usage of this lower method, what is this title method doing. So to understand it, we'll run it and we'll see the output practically to understand what this method is doing. So I just first copy it in spider and I'm running it. Now let us understand here. What I've done is that I have assigned a sentence Python classes by Bintu to the variable S. Original string is S. So you'll get, see this output. Original string is Python classes by Bintu. So this statement is displaying the original string. Okay. String after toggling the case is swap case. When this swap case method is invoked by this S variable, swap case does what? All the lowercase will be converted into uppercase characters and uppercase will be converted into lowercase. See the output. String after toggling the cases, can you see this? P, which was in uppercase, is converted into lowercase, and the rest of the Y, T, H, O, N are converted into uppercase. C, which was in uppercase, is converted into lowercase. Can you see this? So all the uppercase are converted into lowercase and lowercase are converted into uppercase by the swap case. String in uppercase is s.upper method. Upper method would convert all the characters into uppercase. Whatever the lowercase characters are in the string will be converted to uppercase, and the characters which are already in the uppercase will not be affected at all. Okay. So string in uppercase is Python classes by Bintu. All characters are in uppercase. Similar is your lower method. It will convert all the characters into lowercase. Okay. See, string in lowercase is Python classes by Bintu. All are converted into lowercase. Right. What is this is title method doing? First of all, understand that title form is a form where first character of every word is in uppercase. If any word which has its first character in lowercase, the sentence will not be in title form anymore. Okay. See, this is title method will check whether the sentence is in title form or not. If it is, it will return boolean value true, else it will return the boolean value false. This S has everything in uppercase except this B. So this statement will get you the false. So this if block will not run and this statement will never come in the output. So this is not there in the output. Okay. To confirm it, I am displaying this line. String S, that is Python classes by Bintu, is in title case and it is displaying the output of is title. Is title method will return false. Can you see it false here? String Python classes by Bintu is in title case? No, it is false. Okay. Now what is this title method doing? it will convert the sentence into the title form. That is, first character of every word will be converted to uppercase. Okay, so it is converted into uppercase and the title form is assigned to the variable t. Let me tell you that tuples and strings are immutable in Python. That is, the original string will not be modified. If you want to make some modification, apply the modification and store it in another variable. The original string will not be changed. You got it? See, you are converting s into uppercase. You can display it. But if you want that the modification will be applied to the s variable, it won't be. So the modified string that is converting to title form is assigned to another variable t. Okay. So you are displaying it here. String in title form is t. So see, the string in title form is here. Can you see that b is also converted to uppercase? Because it is only because of this lowercase b it was not in title form. What is this capitalized method does? Capitalized method converts the first character of the sentence into uppercase and rest all the characters in lowercase. So the string in capitalized form is, and see output. Python classes were built to where p is capital and the rest all the characters are in lowercase. This is just the first lecture of the strings 11a. There are two more, 11b and 11c. Please do watch those lectures to understand the huge library which is provided by Python of strings. Okay. If you followed this lecture, please subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends and do write your comments in the comment box, please. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.